Hi everyone, welcome back to our high pressure channel where we give you insight on our high pressure solution for PET bottling. As discussed in the previous video, our focus right now is on our high pressure 4-stage hybrid solution called the ZD. In today's video, we will be discussing the key features to make this a green solution. Now more than ever, it's important to have an energy efficient system because we want to reduce our carbon footprint and work towards achieving net zero emissions. Here are 3 ways in which you can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and save on that carbon tax. The first thing you can do is opt for a variable speed drive solution as opposed to fixed speed. A fixed speed unit regulates from 0 to 100%, but if your air demand is not steady and therefore does not always need 100% of the machine's capacity, the compressor will go into unload mode. This is when the motor is running but air isn't being compressed, therefore you are simply wasting energy. The majority of the time, fixed speed units are cycling between load and unload, therefore your system is consuming more energy than it should. A variable speed drive, on the other hand, will regulate its speed in order to meet the fluctuating demand. By adjusting its speed, it reduces or increases the output flow, therefore only providing you with the exact demand your system requires. In this case, there is no wasted energy on unload power and your compressor is always running efficiently. Let's take a look at a few examples. Here is the ideal case of a fixed speed machine, steady flow and operating at 100%. The reality is this is not the observed flow at most sites. Actually, we typically see a lot of fluctuation, especially within the PET bottling industry, where every bottle size has a different air demand. The VSD will regulate itself to meet each bottle size's requirement efficiently and help you save money. The second feature you can apply to have a greener system is energy recovery. As heat is the unavoidable byproduct of compression, energy can be recovered in the form of hot water from the compressor cooling system. Each compressor installation has a large potential for energy recovery. Up to 95% of the supplied energy can be recovered from large oil-free screw compressors. We can achieve a water temperature at the outlet of 90 degrees Celsius. This can be used in different ways throughout your plant. For example, it can be used to heat your boiler, or heat the building, or heat tap water. The return on investment for energy recovery is usually as short as 1 to 2 years and will greatly reduce your plant's energy consumption. The third feature you should opt for is called reinjection. Within the blow molding process, there is a certain percentage of the air that is blown off to the atmosphere. This is obviously wasted energy. What reinjection allows you to do is recover the air from the blow molding machine and reuse it in your low pressure network or reinject it into the booster for high pressure network. Let me clarify. If you remember in the last videos, we have the option of having a receiver in between the 2-stage screw and the 2-stage piston. This receiver allows for part of the air coming from the screw compressor to be redirected to your low pressure network. Therefore, when you have the reinjection set up, you can inject the recovered air in the receiver, which will then be directed to your low pressure network. If the extra air is needed for high pressure, then it will simply be directly injected into the booster. So the benefit here is obviously no blow off, your system is operating with no waste and you are therefore saving energy. Another easy way to make your system greener. This is all for today's video. Stay tuned for the next video where we will look into different products for different high pressure applications. Thank you.